Zordoom. In a while. Hopefully there aren't any guards out here. The processing center should be just up ahead. Please still be there, you guys.
First aid. Please do not burst into...
Hey, Zordoom. In a while. Hopefully there aren't any guards out here. The processing center should be just up ahead. Please still be there, you guys. Getting close to the prison. It's all starting to come back to me.
I am feeling rather scrappy today.
Prisoner disposals in Sector 16 have been postponed to celebrate P-18's birthday. Please do not burst into song upon seeing P-18. He has caused enough disruption as it is.
You here for weapons or ammo? I'm betting both. Sorry, no open sales here. Now that is gonna pack a punch! Enhancements incoming! Forget catching lightning in a bottle. You just caught a whole storm. Happy to help, hun.
Processing center. Has to be where Ratchet and Clank are being held. And Kit. Phew, no alarms. Now to find a way over to that processing center.
Rotting ships. This is what dreams are made of. And shaking the Emperor's claw. Who knew there were this many pirate ships in the galaxy?
getting worse out here.
One more realignment.
Rebel Wombat! She cannot see!
Ryan! Security gate. That's new. Gonna have to improvise. Close one. Fake rivet. Has to be another way inside.
Time for some fun doctrination.
Bubbles! Shouldn't you be in our Dolus? That fan doesn't look all that sturdy.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I am
Almost there. Come on, guys. Please, still be down here. Yes! There's Clank. I don't see Ratchet. Where are you guys? Definitely not Clank.
Yo, we decided to, like, stop killing you. Mind letting us out? Shh. Oh, she's thinking about it.
Have you seen someone who looks like me? No?
You'd best not be after me, booty.
Not a chance.
Prioritize the Lombat.
Rivet! They're about to incinerate your robot friend! Rivet?
I've got you both.
Right there!
Just send your friends that way. If you need backup,
Take care of them. And thanks.
We'll take it from here.
scared me. I'd let you rest, but we don't have a lot of time.
You got here quickly. Thank you. They took Ratchet and Kit through that door. Something about maximum security.
We'll catch up to them. And, I'm glad you're all right, Clank.
You too.
What a beautiful place this is! I hope I'm not forced to destroy it.
The robot has escaped. Desalination lockdown initiated. This is my prisoner. I am your ruler, and no one will escape my grasp.
Look, there they are.
And there they go. Center is open. We can get to Ratchet and Kit's cell through there. This is even more chaotic than Savali.
Sorry I left you behind back there, Bolts. Things got complicated.
I understand. There was a lot of chaos.
No, yeah, that. Hello, gorgeous.
Everyone who has ever crossed the Emperor.
Hello, prisoner. Please return to your cell for your evening torture.
Get out of the way!
Ratchet and Kit.
We can't let them get any deeper into the prison! bridge.
They must have manual controls as backup.
Exciting! Escapees to teach a lesson.
Not right now!
I do not mean to run. But Ratchet and Kit are about to be moved.
I cannot appreciate resistance, Wombat. You were lucky this time. Resistance is not permitted. You will regret this, rebel. You will regret this, insolent rebel.
Lucky shot! Okay, let's get him.
Hurry, tether onto their cell.
No, no!
Rivet? Clank! How did you...
I know my way around. Are you okay?
We're fine! Trying to escape! Somehow!
Don't worry, we'll get you out of here.
I'll try to...
Kit must be very worried about all of this.
Something like that. Look, Bolts, I'll be honest. Kit is the warbot who took off my...
Oh dear.
Anyway, that's what's wrong.
Someone go investigate the processing center. Now!
Come on, we can't lose sight of their cell.
I will keep an eye on it.
Don't worry, Bolt. We'll save them.
Right. You fight. I will search for a way forward.
Decontamination or transfer protocols found. Decontamination highly recommended.
Come on, we can't lose sight of their cell.
I will keep an eye on it.
Don't worry, Bolt. We'll save them.
Right. You fight. I will search for a way forward.
Prisoner in hall without a hall pass. Holding with deadly force. I will not be stopped.
cannot allow them to get taken any deeper into the prison.
We won't!
Wasn't sure you'd actually make it.
Don't thank us yet. We need to power down these cells. Which means a visit to the warden's office.
Did you hear about the disturbance in processing? I was informed it may have been... a Lombax.
How exciting! Enough is that?
Platform.
I'm not meant to be here. I've got so many more crystals to mine.
Could be worse.
Yes!
Lied and said a song was good. Curse my respect to the art.
Oh, hey there, Rivet. Don't you worry about us. We got a plan to get us out of here.
Mort? How did you...
Oh, got caught out a couple days.
Hey, they be planning a jailbreak. We can help.
Hang tight.
This establishment does not live up to our building codes.
Can you help me? Don't leave me!
Merchandise when you see it. Goodbye now.
Office. Just have to use these platforms to get closer and go from there.
Be careful. That is a long way down.